In today's tutorial, we're going to check how you can create this starting scene using all the design tools and effects available in Meld, and how you can create this fun transition using the built-in move transition, also in Meld. Let's check it out. So the first thing I'm going to do is to create a rectangle and fit the canvas. I'll set the rotation to 45 degrees, fit the canvas again, and change the color to blue. You can see the snap lines is helping me to center the element on canvas, which is really helpful. I'll call this blue and duplicate this. I'll name the duplicate yellow and change the color to yellow. Now I'm going to reset rotation to 0, fit this to canvas, and try to center this like here. Amazing. Now I'm going to duplicate this one again. I'll call this pink, change the color to pink. I can rotate this a little bit like this. Okay, now duplicate the pink one. Remember, you can pick your colors here. You don't have to pick the exact colors I'm choosing from mine. Put this right here and change the color to green. With my shift key, I can resize it just like this. Duplicate the green one. Let's call this orange. Move these to the left side of the canvas. This is perfect aligned. Thank you. Snap lines. Let's change the color to orange. Duplicate the orange one. Call this purple. Change the color to purple and move this here. Using my shift key, I can resize it like this to the sides. And there it is. Now I just want to create another rectangle and I'll call these blinds. I'll stretch the canvas and color these to black, like this. Now in the inspector panel, we're going to add an effect to the blinds layer, and this will be the Venetian blinds. 45 degrees angle works pretty well for this one. Okay, so this will be 35 and 65. All right, now the fun part begins. I'm gonna add a new text layer, pick my font, resize it. Okay, let's leave it here for now. Now to your text layer, add a drop shadow. Increase opacity to 100%. Change the color to something like pink. Increase distance a little bit, like this. Now, add another drop shadow. Change the color to like purple. This is going to depend on the colors that you're choosing for the squares in the back. Increase opacity to 100% and change the angle and increase distance. Now, the last effect you want to add here is the ghost styles. In the settings, you can change the color. I'll just change to a light pink. I'm going to decrease stroke, increase size, and decrease opacity. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to write the letters one by one to be able to make the animation happen when we transition. Now, with my shift key selected, I'm going to select all my text layers and I will move these to the center of my screen. I want to switch the scene to my face cam scene. So I'm just gonna leave my video device ready for that transition here. And move it all the way down under all of the layers. Perfect. Now I just have to duplicate the scene to select all of my squares here and move it out of the canvas. To give it a nice effect, I'm just going to add some rotation to them. Now for the blinds layer, I'm just going to set the opacity to 0. Now it's time to move the letters. Now I'm just going to make my video device visible again, and I'm going to fit the canvas. Let's check the transition settings here. Go to the Transitions tab in Preferences, and what I have here is the Move Transition selected. The easing curve is the in and out exponential. Transition duration can be anything that you prefer, but mine here is 2 seconds. And my layer reordering mode is continuous. Now let's see how that looks. Amazing. Using all the available resources in Meld, recreated this fun starting scene and this nice transition to any other scene that you like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.